is a real UFO. It's not a balloon. What's going on in San Jose? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that up in the sky? UFO. It's too big to be a balloon. I study UFOs. Yeah, that's a UFO. It was closer. Yeah, they're all over the internet. If it was a balloon, it would have left a long time ago. We've been watching it for about 10 minutes.
Was it moving fast?
No. The wind would have took it. He just wants everyone to see, that's it.
Now it's completely straight.
This is our UFO experience right here. This is not normal, guys.
March 6th at 3 o'clock.
No, it's
What is the day?
it's the 8th.
March 8th. Could it be?
It's a UFO. It's an unidentified flying object. Uh-oh, there's another thing coming next to it. Is that a plane?
That's a plane.
Yeah, look it.
Plane.
See, look how high is it? It can't be a balloon. Watch this thing gonna take off. Watch. It's gonna take off. See what it's doing? Balloons don't do that. The wind will move.
Yeah, it'll go up.
The wind will move. Where's my binoculars, Peaches? Peaches. Peaches.
Look at the changing color too.
It's not a balloon. They don't make balloons.